Have you ever looked at your phone, seen a payment notification, and wondered, wait, what's Zelle? Is that even safe? And if you're a Chime user, you've probably wondered, can I use Zelle with my Chime account? Let's dive into it. Now, Zelle isn't a bank. It's actually a network that connects different banks and credit unions. Think of it as a digital middleman for sending money to friends and family. It's fast, convenient, and generally pretty secure. But here's the kicker, not every bank or credit union is part of the Zelle network. So, the burning question is Chime one of them? Well, let's clear the air right now. Chime doesn't directly use Zelle. It's not on the Zelle network. So, you can't initiate a Zelle payment directly from your Chime app. Bummer, right? But before you start cursing the financial gods, let's talk about why this might be the case and what your options are. Chime is what's called a fintech company. These are tech-driven companies that offer financial services without being traditional banks. They often have their own payment systems and networks to keep things streamlined and cost-effective. So, while it might seem like a drawback not having Zelle, Chime has its own way of doing things. Now, just because Chime doesn't use Zelle doesn't mean you can't send money to people who do. There are always workarounds. One popular option is to use your Chime debit card to add money to a digital wallet like PayPal or Venmo. Both PayPal and Venmo allow you to send money to people using Zelle. It's an extra step, but it gets the job done. But wait, there's more. Some people might suggest using peer-to-peer payment apps like Cash App. While Cash App is a popular option, it's important to note that it's not directly tied to Zelle either. It's a separate network with its own set of rules and regulations. So, while you can send money to people using Cash App, it's not the same as using Zelle. Security is always a top concern when dealing with money. So, let's talk about how safe it is to use Chime and these other payment methods. Chime employs various security measures to protect your money, including encryption, fraud monitoring, and account verification. PayPal and Venmo also have their own security protocols in place. But remember, no system is completely foolproof. Always be cautious about who you share your financial information with, and keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activity. So, to recap, Chime doesn't use Zelle directly, but you can still send money to people who do by using workarounds like PayPal or Venmo. While it might not be as convenient as having Zelle built in, it's still possible to get the job done. And remember, security is crucial, so always be mindful of your online activities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.